Miraval members, I am standing in our kitchen where we have big news to celebrate. Today, we passed inspection with the Maricopa County Board of Health. Our culinary team is diligently preparing for an opening next week. We will keep you posted. We cannot wait to serve you. And now for our weekly construction update. Tile flooring has been installed in the new wine room. Carpeting has been laid in the ladies' locker room. Sinks have been installed in the ladies' locker room, both in the vanity and relaxation areas. Drywall has been installed in the private dining room. The slate roof installation is nearly complete on the Fitness Center addition. New window installation is nearly complete in the Fitness Center. Surfacing of the new pickleball courts is in progress. We will communicate opening date of the courts very soon. Wood planks have been installed in the new Fitness Center overhang, completing the integration of new and existing spaces. As always, we will continue to keep you posted on our progress. Please log on to our live cameras on the website.